Hello, my fellow Goans. This is Avinash Tavares, and I would like to talk about vaccines and especially the anti-vaxxers who are spreading rumors and false information against the vaccine and are discouraging people from getting vaccinated. My father died just few days ago, and there have been messages spreading on some groups saying that he died after taking the first dose, his immunity went down, and some rubbish against the vaccine. There have been other groups where admins have posted some nonsense against the vaccines, saying that it was developed so fast and it was not tested properly. These people do not understand how this vaccine was in development for years. It was against coronavirus, which is a class of virus, and when COVID came, it was adapted for this virus, and therefore it could be used and to save lives. And many scientists have spent years on this technology called mRNA vaccine. But the point here is that these people are criminals who are discouraging others from getting vaccinated. Today, only two things can save you from this deadly disease. One is the mask, and the second is the virus. The second is the vaccine. If at all people do not get vaccinated, if a portion of the population does not get vaccinated, the virus through them will mutate, and the rest of the people who stood in line and got themselves faithfully vaccinated, their efforts will go in vain, because then once the new mutated virus comes, it will infect everyone all over again, and then we will have to take the vaccine every year. So we must understand that the vaccines are very important to save lives, especially of the poor people who are living, many people are living together or sharing toilets. They don't have the luxuries like these people who are spreading rumors. They don't have the luxury of big houses and all, and they need protection. But we also have to take the vaccine to have them protected. Unless 100% of the population is vaccinated, the entire population will not be protected from the virus. So I would like to tell these people directly, these anti-vaxxers, whoever they are, that if I find any post from now on against vaccines, I will file a police complaint against them, because what they are doing is criminal. Without any knowledge of the vaccine, without any knowledge of its development, of its efficacy, they are spreading lies, and they are putting people's lives in danger. Freedom ends when other people's freedom starts. You all are causing the deaths of people, and this is a very serious issue. If it was up to me, if I could advise the same, I would have told him, pull out anyone who is not agreeing to get vaccinated, and get them vaccinated just like how their parents got them vaccinated against smallpox and polio. Otherwise today they would have been roaming with scars and on their skin and roaming like crabs with their bent legs from polio. If at all they had to have the same mentality what they have against the COVID vaccine. So also there are people who have faith in Ayurveda and all this other alternate medicine, which is why they are doubting the vaccine. Please understand, it was not Ayurveda or it was not any other alternate medicine that saved millions of lives from smallpox, from AIDS, from all these other diseases. It was modern medicine which went through rigorous checks and balances, which went through rigorous testing, and that is why millions of people's lives could be saved, their lives can be extended. Now it's time for the COVID vaccine. Anyone who spreads any rumors in Goa and Goan groups, if I get hand of it, I will file a police complaint. I request others who share my view, please do the same, because this must stop. We cannot allow lies to spread against the vaccine. And please, for God's sake, get vaccinated. Unless you are vaccinated, you're not going to protect other people. It's not just about me getting vaccinated. If we all have to be protecting each other, we all have to build a wall around the entire community, around the entire society, which is why each one of us should do our responsibility and get vaccinated. So please share this message with your friends and with your families, so that we can all work together to stop this death that is happening in Goa. All of us have lost friends and family, and we need it to end. So please cooperate, get vaccinated.